Folks, Chad's always accusing me of gray being my favorite color. Well, you know what? Today I'm wondering if it really is anymore after seeing this thing. Jake and I saw this morning come off the assembly line, and we thought, we gotta video this. This thing is set up with a lot of features, a lot of options, and we want to share it with you today. And I have to add too, I'm anxious to see these things if they're ordered in red, green, yellow, or tan. It'll be fun, like this thing is for us today. This thing was ordered with optional aluminum wheels, which always dresses them up, and it's worth it. I think it really, you know, we have it on our seed carts also, and it really does something to them. This one was ordered by American Truck and Trailer out of North Dakota. This is for their inventory. And what they did is they went with the 100-gallon DEF with the optional DEF heater. So they did that. One thing we did when we did the redesign is we said, you know what, let's add that 25-foot hose reel to the DEF kit. People want it, let's give it to them. And you know what? That's what we did. 35-foot hose reel. People were always ordering it. I thought, let's, you know, talking with Chad and the group, let's make it standard. So that's what we did. This was ordered with the optional fuel meter. 25-gallon electric pump, which is standard. They went with the electric jack as an option versus the crank up manual one. But one thing they also did is they went with the optional exterior work lights up above, which is switches right here in the front. Since we're in the front, everyone says, what's this little plug? We'll be at shows. What's this plug? What this is where you plug your extension cord in for your battery maintainer when you get the heavy duty battery kit. So here's the battery, here's the maintainer for it. So it's clean, it's well thought out. Our team did a great job with that. You know, like even we're right here, like these shelves. It comes with it. You're always looking for a place to put stuff. Well, we're helping you solve that problem. This trailer was ordered with the optional toolbox. And if you ordered one without the toolbox, you can get the toolbox, my friend. This nose cone is all modular. All you simply do is unbolt the different sections and slide it in and bolt it back together. So problem solved for you. But talking about the toolbox, this thing has 300-pound rails, so it is built. It's built for the application. That's one thing that we try and always be mindful of, is how is it going to be used? We want to build a quality product every day. How do we do it? Well, it starts with listening to our customers, and this is what we need, this is what we like, and we try and implement it. When we did our redesign, we changed the shape of it, as you'll notice. We have the form top, and what that did is added rigidity, it eliminated flat surface area, and which also eliminated oil canning. It's still baffled, they're all baffled, single tank baffled. The tank is independent from the trailer to allow proper flexing. With this redesign though, we kept this rear step, and what that does, it gives you the ability to easily fill it at the rear fill cap, or if there's something you want to take out to the field, like a air compressor or who knows what, you can put it right there. So this is a great feature. People love it at farm shows also. It's a spot to sit and visit. But speaking of farm shows, we were in Louisville, and it was a great show for us. it exposes us to a lot of different industries, and we appreciate that because it gives us a chance to listen to the people that aren't in agricultural or construction alone. We had people from forestry, we had them from all kinds of recreational industries, and we were able to satisfy their needs due to our design, like the modular nose cone. Once again, it helped them. They had something unique that they needed to take with them, and we were able to satisfy that. With all that being said, folks, if you need more information, you want to see more videos, or have questions, simply email us. You know what to do. Thank you.